I really want to add a chatbot for my website. It would boost my SEO, make my site look nice, and it's an interactive tool people could come and use on my website. And of course, it would make customer support a whole lot easier. I'm so tired of answering questions all day.
Oh, hi, Mark. I couldn't help myself, and I might have listened to your thoughts a bit.
You listen to my thoughts?
Yeah, don't worry about it. Listen, GPT isn't designed to be a chatbot for your website, and paying thousands of dollars to train it on your data sounds like too much work and money. Just use FlowHunt for as low as $10 a month. You can easily change and modify GPT to be whatever you want it to be, and you can have your own custom chatbot in the matter of seconds. You just log in, choose the chatbot template, and plug in your own custom URL, and that's literally it. You just made your own chatbot in 20 seconds.
No way, that's too good to be true. Let me try this. Let's see what it's supposed to do first. Oh wow, interesting. The template is even giving me links to my own website as sources for the answer. That's quite cool, Matilda. It knows literally everything about my domain.
Well, that's the beauty of FlowHunt, Mark.
Well, you just saved me hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars. Thanks a lot.
Anytime, Mark. Anytime.